She turned it up.
That ain't even wide open.
This is Sandra, but she came in yesterday to look at other scooters that came apart. She was looking for something for her yard, but we looked at units. She worked with Tom that would come apart. She rode them around. I saw you ride them yesterday.
Yeah.
It's been a really busy day. And she saw the Eagle. We had the Eagle outside. We have a few of these in stock. Actually, we had sold 2 of these yesterday. The guy that was
That other guy was gonna take my Eagle. Okay.
No, well, he didn't take it. We had you first. He was second. He got one. He was choosing over the Wrangler, an Afghan, and another unit that we that he was looking at. And he actually bought one on Amazon, and he never got it.
Oh.
So be very careful when you buy on Amazon. Make sure you read the specs. Some stuff's way off. You can always contact us at affordablemedicalusa.com or 803-926-2224 because we hear it all the time. This is the Eagle by Golden Technologies. It is an awesome scooter. It's got big tires on it. We have some comparison videos between it and the Wrangler. I wanted to ask you, why did you like this unit?
Now, he told me to be careful going down this ramp.
What's your scooter now? We're gonna go.
It was comfortable riding, and it's easy to use.
So out of all those other scooters, I know this was the biggest one you tried.
This was this and the best.
You're buying this primarily for outside.
Outside.
Right, because you wouldn't want this for inside your house. So obviously, unless you have a mansion.
No.
I don't have that. Not many people do. But this is a primarily used for outside around your yard. If you have a lot of land. It's actually a really affordable scooter when you look at all the stuff it comes with, and compared to the other units out there, it could be $6,000, $7,000. This one's priced around $34 to $38.95 right now. I think we have them at $34.95. So we love it. The only downfall is only red. So what else? Can you tell me some things you've liked so far? I know you haven't taken it home yet. We're gonna load it up. You're gonna take it home, but just from the other day.
From the other day, it will meet all my needs that I need living in the country. Yeah, right around here.
Okay.
And it's comfortable, and it's going to be easy to get in and out the house because I've got a big recreation room at my house.
Okay.
And so that's where it'll stay. But mainly, I've always rode 4-wheelers, and this is the closest thing that I can find to an ATV. Let's just for fun see how fast.
Well, be careful. Still be careful.
I will.
Oh, perfect. I like that. So, do you want to say anything to the people that are...
If you're looking one, please come and try this because you'll find you'll like it. If you're a hunter, this is ideal for you to go in the woods with because that's where I'm heading.
Are you really?
Yes.
Okay. And it also, it's got a basket if you want to... I got a new cameraman. He's kind of fresh. He comes over here. Actually, I'm going to grab that camera from him. I'm just going to point out a couple things. A pretty large front basket that can be removed. 2 big mirrors. A digital screen with your battery. Some mileage. Speed control. Horn. Lights. Blinkers. Hazard lights if you need to use them. This is your throttle. This is a tiller adjustment that can go up and back. It's got the Bluetooth speaker right down there and the controls and the USB charging port, your key. Swivel seat, sliding seat. This seat will actually slide up and back. As you see, pretty large tires. Nice. How are these arm pads?
Oh, I love them. They're nice.
Nice seat. That seat is really, really nice.
Really comfortable. I'm going to be enjoying this in the woods.
And then it's got... the seat does recline back, and it's got this nice storage compartment back here for,
and it's recliner too, I think.
for what they said their beer. So, or lunch. What was it? Beer or lunch? Oh, look at that. And she just reclined it for the video.
I get tired, I can sleep out. And it's got a headrest if you need to get up there.
Or you can sit out and look at the sky at night.
That's right.